Hello, everybody. Welcome to Talk About House. I'm Todd.
I'm Juana.
Okay, so this is we're going to do a review of an article from Realtor.com. This is more about housing affordability than anything else. The title caught my eye, and of course, anytime I see the title, it looks like it's interesting. Okay, this is the title of the article: "Is the housing market backsliding?" Okay, mortgage rates jump to an high, and that's not even the worst news. Okay, just gut feeling. When you saw that headline, what did you think they were going to talk about?
Something bad.
Something bad? Did you think it was going to be home prices are going to fall, market's going to crash?
Market's going to crash, cats and dogs living together, the whole thing.
Yeah, mass hysteria.
Yes.
Okay, so here's the first quote for the article, because this is about affordability. It's not really about home prices. Okay, while affordability continues to challenge buyers, the lack of inventory is likely to be the key issue for eager buyers as it keeps upward pressure on prices while limiting buyer choice, notes Danielle Hale, chief economist for Realtor.com, in her weekly data analysis. So this is the struggle we talked about between affordability and choice.
Right. So, it's an interesting time to be a seller. To some extent, it's almost like it was last spring, isn't it?
Yeah, it's stuff sells super fast.
Yeah.
Multiple offers,
Right.
even in super high-end homes. $3 million houses get cash offers.
Well, not only do lots of cash offers, no matter what the price point. Properties that are financed, we're seeing people willing to pay 7% over appraised value, and you're thinking, what? That's what I said too when I saw the offers. But that's what's happening.
Yeah. Here's another little headline from the article. Home prices jumped from May to June.
Yep. Again, no inventory. So anything that's good out there is going to get sold. It's going to have multiple offers. Sellers are still in the driver's seat. Now, that's not to say that buyers are not discriminating, because absolutely they are. They are going to definitely separate the wheat from the chaff, and they're going to pick the houses that are most attractive, that are the best house for their purpose. And they're not going to just buy a house just because it's on the market and there's nothing else. So this is what's different than last time around, right? Last time around, four walls was nice but not necessary. This time around, it's like, no, we want a good house. We want a good house, and we're willing to pay for it, but we're not going to settle.
3 walls was a feature, not a bug.
Yes.
Okay, so people are going to say, yeah, but May to June, that's not fair comparison. You got to talk year over year. Okay, you ready? No, peak to trough. Ready for this? Not only are mortgage rates more than double what they were 2 years ago, but the typical asking price for a home has fallen less than 1% since last June's all-time high of $449,000. So even from the all-time high, nationally, home prices are only down 1% with double interest rates. That's really supply-demand, forget everything else. So yes, homes are more or less affordable, but there's just less homes to pick from. You have this huge pent-up group of buyers who keep, basically flooding in, going, you know what, I'm done. I've been paying rent for an extra year, and I'm just going to buy the house.
Right. So, and it's not just tenants that are buying homes. It's people who have been waiting to buy a house, and they're just tired of waiting. They need to get on with their lives. And those people, by and large, are becoming accidental landlords. But we do see that move-up buyer participating in the market at this point as well.
Now, we did this video about the Las Vegas market. We showed how inventory is declining when this time last year it was skyrocketing. And that's just in Vegas. And then this quote came out in the article. Active inventory includes both old and new listings, but fresh listings, which are new listings, have now surpassed a year of declines. They're down for 53 weeks in a row, and by 27% from 1 year ago for the week ending July 8th. So 53 straight weeks, we have less new listings on the market than previously. This is really sort of telling that people aren't selling.
Right. And that tale of low inventory does not look like it's going to end anytime soon. With not a lot of product on the market, sellers are just very hesitant to let go of the home they have for a home they don't have.
Okay, then there's the coming recession. right? It's coming. This will be the final. Nothing else could kill housing, but this recession is going to do it. And this is a quote from the article. The job market's ongoing resilience has enabled buyers to remain active in today's market despite a high cost of home ownership. So not only do we have sellers that will not be quote unquote forced to sell, we have all these buyers who still are qualified, getting pay raises, earning more money, looking now to become a home buyer.
Right.
Or these people who we all know, I think, it's probably a third of all purchases are probably people already own homes. They're just buying investment homes and things like that. Because, they don't have to, a lot of them are paying cash. We know like a third of all homes are purchased cash.
Right. Yeah. And it doesn't really matter about the price point. I mean, if you're thinking, oh, it's just the low-end homes, not so fast. It is at all price points that there are lots of cash buyers.
Okay. And if you thought demand was going to drop off, this is about new home construction. This was the last quote from the article. Builders are enjoying renewed energy in the new home side of the market, which saw sales jump 12% in May as buyers pivoted their energy toward new construction amid dwindling existing home stock, said Hale.
Right.
They haven't gone away. And this is with interest rates double 2 years ago.
And what's interesting to me is that home buyers are not building entry-level homes. They are building homes that are more profitable for them. And that means that they're building homes in the upper and really high-end markets because, remember, land is expensive. And if they're going to build something, they may as well build something that's more profitable. And that's a really interesting thing to think about, that, we're looking at builders that traditionally built, middle-income type homes, and they're building those expensive homes now. So builders, for example, that were building here in Las Vegas in the $200,000 to $400,000 range, well, those same builders are now building in the $800,000 to $1.1 million range. So that's a really interesting shift in the market that we'll have to watch, because if you think that affordability is bad now, with insufficient new homes coming on the market that are affordable, it's going to make it even tighter for people who are trying to get in under the $500,000 mark.
I think this is one of the things that's been driving the median list price up over $100,000 just in the last 8 months in Vegas. Median list price is up over $100,000 because of all homes are worth more than $100,000 more than they were 8 months ago. It's because more homes of higher dollar amounts are coming in, which is why you can't just look at a market like Vegas and go, oh, well, the market dropped 5.3% year over year, until you look at the mix of homes that sold. And we know less luxury homes sold in the last year. So you can't just say, oh, you look at the median, because the median is price per square foot's a better indicator. And year over year price per square foot in Vegas is only about 3% off right now.
Right.
3%, which is, if it was with election, they would say that's within the margin of error for, it could go either way.
That's right.
All right.
Not that we're talking politics, not today.
No politics, just real estate politics.
That's right.
Real estate. This has turned into politics. Like, what's real estate? Is real estate a good investment? Is it going to crash? What are interest rates can do? It's turned political.
It has. And that's unfortunate, because this is about money.
Yeah, it's about money. That's all it's about.
Right. It's about money. It's about homes. It's about people's dream of stability and things like that. So it's unfortunate. Anyway, that's what we've got for today. Leave us some comments. Tell us what you think. We're interested in your thoughts, even if you don't agree with us. Please like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share the video, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.